Yes, my people, good morning from Kasembo village. It's a very bright morning. The sun is up, and you can see, guys, my daily routine while in the village. I walk through the farm, I take care of my birds. Now going to check on them, to feed them, and that's all. The daily routine of a passionate farmer. People are fighting, like everyone is having that energy. See them fighting. Kali Abushikai. First routine before you get inside where your birds are. Disinfect, please. Keep your birds safe. Hi guys. Yes, everyone is taking their meal. They are busy eating. Hey, they look lovely, guys. See the kind of energy they have. I just want to let them out now. They are having enough energy. They are having enough energy. Wababas are taking their breakfast. Guys, it's very interesting. Are you seeing the wababas here? Very busy eating. We have to let them out and bring the new ones now. It's time is up to let them out to the market. Like the big wababas here, they are on sale, guys. Bring your orders, DM me at the comment section, guys. Don't forget, don't shy off to ask me where I'm doing this video from, my location and the cost. I'll share. So do your booking. The festive season is here. I'm remaining with the few. You can see this farm was full, but right now you can see not so many, but some are this side. You can check. Some wababas are here. Let me just check. Some wababas are here waiting for the meal. They are being served. Their dishes here. They are being served their meals. Like, hey, right now if you get inside here without a meal, they will eat you. Na zinakaa maridadi. Hii kala yao. The Sasso F1. They look pretty. Yes. On sale, guys, on sale. If you are interested, don't forget to ask me the price and my location, Kasembo village, guys, Migori County. We are doing farming here. Serious farming, not that farming. Serious farming. Passionate farmer is here to share with you all the ideas, how I started until where I am now. Always put everything out. I put everything out there, black and white. Sifichi chochote. I don't hide any information. If you ask me, I will answer your question there and then. Hey, people are hungry. You see the quality feed they are feeding on. Their nature, they have to fight even if it is in plenty. Kule tu pole pole. So my farm is in two partitions. according to their age. But I told you the gap is just 1 month. The difference between the big wababas and these ones is just 1 month. No big difference. So when it comes to meal time, we have to put them separate for their own safety, for everyone to get quality ratio. The quality and quantity matters, because the moment you're gonna overfeed others and some you underfeed, the growth rate will be different. So that is what we are key in. We are very, very serious. We check on that. The growth rate should be the same. They should be fed the same ratio. Kolo. Mwambie alete hizo trays tuangalie kama kuna mayai ndani. Leta tray tuangalie kama kuna mayai ndani. Yeah, wababas, they are taking their food now. Hey, takunyonga. Kula tu pole pole. Chakula iko mingi. The food is in plenty, but still you see as if they are competing. It is in plenty. Ingiza ndani tuangalie kama kuna mayai. Hey, wacha wenzako wakule. Everyone is enjoying the meal time. Let me check on our finances are here. Just see the eggs. Wow, guys, check. The moment I come, I have to receive to get some eggs. Lazima, just check with me. Pick with me today. See, and they are very huge. They are very big, abnormal. And why is this? Because they are being given quality and quantity. That is what matters. You see the sound? The sound belongs to layers. Kuna ingine pale? Ingine hapo. Quality and quantity, guys, matters. Ingine iko hapo. Wow, quality and quantity matters, guys. See what we've just got. Just 5 minutes away. Almost half a crate. Guys, see, I just want you to see the size of the eggs they are giving. Very big, very huge. Very big. Wow. 5 minutes. If I stay here for another 5 minutes, guys, the same will happen. And they have taken their breakfast, so they're just singing. If you get that sound, that is the sound of the layers. You see? Get the sound. Just a few months ago, they were very tiny. I want you to get that sound. There is always a difference between the sound of the broilers and the sound of the layers. There is a very big difference. So that is the sound of the layers. They are giving me quality eggs because I am also investing in them. So no alternative. They have to give me the best. They're giving me big eggs. Like, they make me smile on a daily basis, guys. Huh? Excuse me. Hey. How are you? Hey, and they are very healthy. See this one? Hey. They are very healthy. There is another huge one here that I thought it was a jago. Very huge indeed. Giving me very big eggs. And the weight itself. Wako na kilo. These mamas are very huge. I'm very surprised. See them. It was just the other day they were very tiny. Just the other day, guys. Right now, we call them mamas. They're very huge. They make me happy. There is a secret, guys, I wanted to share with you. My fellow farmers who knows this will confirm, and to the beginners outside there watching my videos, I just wanted to share with you, because it was like a challenge to me when I was away. So I don't know, their caretaker makes their meal. I always give them pure layers mash. But because I was not around, tend to mix their meals with the other meal that belongs to the roasters, and the other meal was containing the fish meal. So this is just an advice to anyone keeping layers outside there. Kindly just ensure there is no fish meal in their feeds. Zero fish meal in their feeds, because it's gonna mess you up. Guys, I was in a situation whereby I'm told, like, the bird is really pushing hard, the egg is not coming out. And so the anus where the egg is coming through was enlarged, was very big. The egg could not come out. And that's why I was telling you, don't ever go the shortcut way. You should be in charge, you should be in control in whatever your birds are eating. Just being away for a week, I was in a mess. What I realized that you should not be away from your birds. Just keep close tab, and monitor what they are eating 24/7. So that thing really messed me up. The bird was like pushing very hard, and then the anus where the egg is coming from or through was very big, like amepelekwa cesarean. No, the egg cannot come out. It was very big, and I noticed like 5 birds were experiencing the same. So I had to put them separate, to monitor them, to give them medication, at least to reduce the fat in their body. Just 1 week. So this one is just an advice to my fellow farmers outside there. Whenever you are keeping the layers, that is the layers, but layers, just ensure you are in control in whatever they eat 24/7. Just be there, and if you're not there, kindly just have to know what they are eating, because the moment you start giving your layers a meal that contains the fish meal, they will grow very fat that they want to give you eggs. That is a disadvantage number one. Your birds will grow so fast and the fats will be very much in their body, or so much that the egg will not be produced or reproduced. So lesson learned, guys. I love sharing everything with you people, because you are the people who motivate me on a daily basis. Your comments, I love your comments. Always go through the comments to answer a few questions asked there, and I'm very happy. Don't shy away from asking any question. I will give you a feedback. I started small. It's good to start small and grow big, and we are growing with you guys. Now 7 months down the line, I'm having a daily constant income. My layers are providing daily income. A coin. I get a coin on a daily basis by supplying my egg. Like, the demand is very high, but the supply is low. So that's why I'm planning to expand my farm to bring more birds here. The noise. The noise is so too much noise here. Too much noise and just ensure your birds have water. Water should be there 24/7, and this is their water jerrycan. It flows through the pipes, and everyone access the water through here. That is the water, and that thing attracts them. You see, it really attracts them. Technology. You say technology. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with my subscribers today. Just be in control of what your birds are eating on a daily basis, and take care of them. The moment you take good care of them, that is when you will get the good outcome. Like right now, I'm just planning to take my roosters to the market, because right now it has reached a moment that they have to be released to the market to create chance for others. Yeah, I want to bring a new batch, small one. Guys, with this business, just start small and grow big. I started with just 1 month old. Another advice, if you are a beginner, please don't go for 1 day old. If you can't take good care of them, brooding is not easy. It's not easy. Just start with 1 month old, 2 months old. It's still affordable at that age, and there will be zero death in your farm. Zero death in your farm. If you start with a day old, if you are a beginner, I will not advise you to do so. Right? So just start with a month old, 2 months old, you're good to go. You can maintain them. Like what they eat, what they feed on, medication is well taken care of, special compound free range, like they are enjoying right now fresh air. But for the layers, they don't have the privilege anymore. They will be free rangers until 16 weeks. After that, inside the cage, no more roaming around. But once a while, I bring them out to eat grass, which is very important in their health. So let me just give them time to enjoy their meal. The wababas are still enjoying their meal. Yes, you're going to the market today or tomorrow. Bring your orders, guys, at the comment section. I will drop a pin for someone interested. At least you come in my farm and enjoy the offer. Enjoy the offer while it lasts. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna take a break from there. See you in our next video. We learn together, we share new ideas for passionate farmers like me. Start small and grow big. Start small and grow big. It's a good business. I will advise anyone to start this. Right, guys? Yes. The compound is too huge. We need more birds here. It's very huge. Now see you in our next video.